Hey guys, Phil Town here from Rule 1 Investing, and boy do I have some exciting news for my fans on YouTube. We just hit 300,000 subscribers. Man, I'm not telling you, I can't believe how quickly this YouTube channel has grown. You know, like a few months ago, we were celebrating 250,000 subscribers, and boom, we're up another, 20% or something in just a few months. I started this channel 5 years ago, and I had a goal of providing really good, really unique, free investing education and tools to the people who are interested in this so that they could take control of the financial future and invest successfully and get to financial freedom. After all, you know, a Grand Canyon River guide making $4,000 a year, if I could learn to do this kind of investing thing, anybody can learn to do this, okay? So over the years, I've really enjoyed chatting with many of you in the comments section. I've even met a lot of you guys when you come in person to my live investing workshops out in Atlanta or in San Diego and sometimes in a few other towns. And I really value hearing your personal stories about how you're doing, how investing has given you financial freedom, how it's changed your life. It thrills me to hear that stuff, you guys. And just like last time, I am celebrating this growing community with a big giveaway. I want to show my appreciation to all of you who are helping keep this revolution going. So this giveaway is exclusively for you, my YouTube subscribers. I'll be giving away 3 special prizes. This is going to be fun. You ready to hear what they are? The third place winner will receive a $100 Amazon e-gift card. Our second place winner will receive a $250 Visa gift card and a signed copy of my book I did with my daughter Danielle called Invested. That's our latest book, got to be number 7 on the New York Times bestseller list, and I'm telling you, it's the best book I've ever written about investing. I think one of the best books ever written about investing, period. All right, as well, we're also going to give you a signed copy of my first book, Rule Number 1, which amazingly is still face out on bookshelves on bookstores around the country 13, 14 years later. It's now in 14 languages. We're going to sign that for you and send that out to you guys. Now, last, certainly not the least, the grand prize winner will receive a $500 Visa gift card, a signed copy of the book that started it all, Rule Number 1, my second book signed, Payback Time, and of course, a copy of our latest book, Invested. And for first prize, we are also going to be giving away 1 scholarship to attend my live 3-day event for free, you and a guest. So come to my investing workshop. I'm telling you, it's one of the best ways to take control of your financial future. We don't sell anything there. It is 100% learning. It's like watching 3 days of this, except working with personal coaches who are going to help you get the skills that are necessary to properly evaluate companies, figure out if they're actually wonderful and good investments, what you should pay for them. That's what we do for 3 days. And by the way, we also learn a lot about how to get cash flow going, which is great. So these are things that I'm simply not allowed to teach you here on YouTube, but I am going to teach you live at the workshop. So if you win, we'll be there with you. By the way, you'll be in VIP seating, which is going to be awesome. But that's not all, you guys. For everybody who signs up on this giveaway, I'm going to be hosting an exclusive live Q&A on the 26th of February, shortly after the giveaway ends. Now that's going to take place live at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 26th of Feb. So be sure you get there. You'll get to submit questions and you're going to chat with me live, and you won't want to miss it because I'm going to get deep into stuff that you guys want to know about. And of course, it's free for all of you who enter this giveaway. So simply click the link in the description of this video, which will tell you how you can enter. And we'll be running this contest just a short time from today, February 4th, through February 17th. So you're only going to have 2 weeks to enter for all these amazing prizes. And all the details for the contest are listed below in the description. So just head down there now before it's too late. And thank you guys for your continued support. I will see you right here on Friday for my next video. Now go play. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Click the button on the screen to sign up for the giveaway today. Also, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, definitely do so now. Thanks again for watching, everybody.